Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. So today I have this little gadget for us to test. Something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while, so I'm going to need my little dongle thing converter here. And here we have the Boya microphone. Superb sound for presentations and video recording. So let's see if we can get this thing to work. So I'll get you guys a little bit closer, and I'll probably have to film on my iPad for that. But anyway, let's get you closer. Okay, so I'm filming the rest of this on my iPad, so I'm not exactly I'm not exactly sure what the quality is going to be like, but that's the best I can do for the moment. So here we have a Boya lavalier microphone micro cravate, as you can see there, and this is the Boya Pro Audio Series for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. Clip-on microphone for smartphones, camcorders, radio recorders, omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condensers ideal for video use, low handling noise, includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. So let's take a look, and hopefully this will work. So let's take out of the box, what do we have? We have a lovely little leatherette pouchette and the instructions. That's everything that's in the box. Let's pull it out. So we have a little bit of gel. So here we have the Boya, and okay, so this one I know has a lovely long cable on it, because that's what I wanted, was a really nice long cable. So that's got a little what do you call it? Oh my god, my mind's gone. Little clip thing to hold it all together. Let's take the wire off. So yes, that is really long. Let's just undo it. So this is the end that goes into the smartphone, but I have to use my little adapter for it. In here we have a battery, 2 microphone sponges, and the lapel clip, and on this end then is where we have the microphone itself, again on quite a long lead. Not exactly sure how that, and there's a battery as well, the LR44 battery. So okay, let's have a look and see. I know that this goes on to here, and then we have a spare sponge, so I'm just gonna put that on there. That then clips onto that, so it can clip onto a lapel. Let's take a look at the instructions, because like I said, I'm using this with my smartphone. Thanks for choosing Boya. The Boya blah 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 universal lavalier microphone, which can be used with cameras, smartphones and other recording devices, is designed for reliable and trouble-free performance. In order to ensure you have good experience, please read this manual. So you have the lavalier microphone, foam windscreen, clothing clip, velcro, that's it, velcro, battery, carrying case and user manual. Using the microphone, attaching the microphone to clothing via the clip, that's very easy. Using the microphone with a smartphone. Okay, no need to install battery when using with smartphone. Attach the microphone to your clothing, like so. Move the switch on the power pack to the off. So there's a little switch here which is cameras, very clearly marked, on. So if I open it up, it just opens up from the middle. And that's where the battery goes. So I'll pop the battery in. so. Seal that back up. So there's no indicator light or anything. So anyway, so it's got up for cameras and off for smartphones. So I'm going to put it in the off position, like so. I'm going to take the microphone off my lapel at the moment. So the next thing I have to do is to plug it into my smartphone. So that's literally all I'm going to do with the adapter here. And plug it into the bottom, like so. No indication on the phone of anything different. So what I'm going to do is, if I go into camera, and I'm on video. Okay, so let me just do a little test with it. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to try it without and test the sound. Hi, this is just a video test of my microphone without using the Boya phone. So let me play that back. Hi, this is just a video test of my microphone without using the Boya phone. Okay, sounds fine. Let me plug this in now. And then I will hold the microphone up close to my mouth and record again. Hi, this is me using the Boya microphone to test if it works. Alright, so I'm going to unplug it and test it. Hi, this is me using the Boya microphone to test if it works. And it does! Fantastic! That is brilliant. So now I have a microphone. Right, okay, let's plug it in. Let's get this up on the tripod and let's give this a go and see how it works. Wow, that is so cool. Hi, this is just a video test of my microphone without using the Boya phone. Hi, this is me using the Boya microphone to test if it works. Okay, so this has got a very, very long cable on it. Let me clip this onto my lapel, like so, and there we go. We're done. That was a very simple and very effective. Now, the reason why I'm doing the review on this is because I had something similar to this before, but it wasn't working with the iPhone. I had to kind of download a app for it to use, and that's the only way it would work. But I was really gutted, but it wasn't expensive. So I had a look on YouTube and I looked at all the different reviews and I googled and stuff, and then I saw this one recommended, and I've had it for ages. It's been sitting in here for ages waiting for me to do a review on it. So maybe I could do some ASMR videos. So there we go. So I'm just talking as normal. I'm not talking really loud or shouting like I normally do. I mean, there are the wireless versions of this, but they cost an absolute fortune, to say the least. Microphones vary a lot, from very, very cheap ones to so expensive, like the price of a small car. Some of them anyway. So yeah, so that, fantastic. I'm absolutely chuffed with that. So I hope the sound is going good. I am going to put this, what we're doing now, talking out on video. Lovely little pouch, just so you to keep it nice and safe. It's not an amazing quality pouch, but it'll just keep it safe. And yeah, I've put the battery on it. So if I turn it onto camera. Okay, so when I just checked back onto the footage, it went up to the part where I turned it off, and then the camera stopped recording, so that will probably affect it. So I can't turn it off whilst it's connected during filming. And I noticed that when I want to listen back to what I've said, I have to unplug it from the phone, and then the normal sound will come through the speakers of the phone, but using the microphone. So it's used the microphone. This also has a little clip on it here, so I could clip it onto something. I mean, I don't think I could really use this all the time because, number one, I'm kind of like back and forth and it may just sort of like get tangled into things. But I am really glad to have a not very expensive lapel microphone that works directly into my phone without having to use any other kind of software or any other program. Because I did have a problem where for some reason I did a whole video, and it must have, part of it was like 20 or 30 minutes, and for some reason it would not save to my camera roll, and I was able to kind of like save most of it but not all of it, so I lost a lot of the footage, and I was like, I can't risk that. I can't be filming and then not have the footage saved to the camera, and it happened twice, unfortunately. So I don't know what happened, but I immediately lost trust in it because, well, as you know, it's kind of like a lot of effort, and a lot of the videos that I make, they are my step-by-step guide on how to put the bloody things back together. So I need a very reliable camera, and the iPhone for me has worked absolutely fine, just using the bog standard camera that it came with, not any other software. So yeah, so there we go. Review, very, very quick on that one, very nice, but I can highly recommend it. I will put the link into the video description for you guys before, and I do have a sort of like what I call a bit of fluff, dead cat I think it's called. So I've got like a fluffy dead cat, so I can use that outside and see if it'll get rid of wind noise too. But so far so good. I'm really chuffed. So I'm going to do my next video, which is a bit of a refurb video, but I'm going to use the lapel camera, and I'll give the camera a mention at the beginning of the video, but this is just a standalone video. But yeah, I'm really impressed, I have to say, really, really impressed. I really can't remember how much I paid for this, but it's the BY-M1, and so far for this video, so good. I will also make this a little bit of a feature as well in the next refurb video that I'm going to start right now after this. But yeah, I'm really, really chuffed. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye y'all.